Finding the best cheap drone. That is, one that delivers a rewarding flying experience without costing you a fortune, isn't easy, but we're here to help you make the right choice. Drone technology has advanced massively in recent years, so buying a cheap drone doesn't mean getting lumbered with something that's almost impossible to fly with a battery that dies after a few minutes of flopping around haphazardly in the air. Rather, today's budget drones are friendly to use and pack in features that you might expect to be reserved for more expensive models, such as smart flight control, camera stabilization, GPS locking and even 4K video. So today we show you the best budget drones 2022. Let's start the video. Please check the product link below description. Please subscribe.
Our top 1.
Number 1. Holystone HS700E 4K UHD Drone 4K ICE Anti-Shake Camera. The ICE, electronic image stabilization, technology reduces video blurring and makes video transmission more stable. It uses pixels outside the border of the visible frame to provide a buffer for changes in direction. The 5 GHz FPV transmission allows you to pull off epic, fast-paced shots. A 90 degrees adjustable camera with a 130 degrees FOV lens can capture a wide view of every precious moment. It lets you have almost unlimited viewing. Modular batteries and easy-to-carry case. Comes with batteries that last 23 minutes. Easy and safe to use. This superior drone comes with a premium carrying bag. These features make the HS700E easy to use outdoors and very simple to store safely when not in use.
Our top 2.
Number 2. Holystone GPS Drone GPS Auto Return. Equipped with GPS location, the drone can memorize the home point and return automatically whenever the drone lose signal or lose power or whenever you press down auto return button. Intelligent features. You may set a customer flight path at your will or instruct the drone to follow you automatically. Upgraded configuration. Detachable propeller makes the drone easy to carry. 2 modular batteries prolong flight time to 26 minutes. Control range is up to 984 feet.
Our top 3.
Number 3. DEERC Drone User-Friendly. D10 is extremely user-friendly that comes with 1 key start, landing, altitude hold, headless mode, speed adjustment functions, adapts to all experience levels even for kids and beginners. 3D flips function makes flight attractive even for the drone newbies. Farther and clearer. This drone provides smooth FPV transmission within a range of up to 80 m. You can capture and record 2K HD aerial footage, and share it instantly on social media through DEERC app. Considerate design. D10 drone can be folded up into a compact and portable shape.
Our top 4.
Number 4. EXO Scout. Drone easy to fly 30-second setup, easy to control. Ready to go from the box. Fast and playful 3 speed levels. 15 miles per hour top speed, smooth acceleration. High-res camera 1080p, 2K, video, 6 megapixels, 4K, photos. Tiltable to bird's eye view, all with a live camera feed. Lightweight and portable, foldable design, under 250 grams, and comes with a free carry case.
Our top 5.
Number 5. Potenzic T25 Drone 2K HD 75 degrees adjustable camera. Equipped with FPV 2K HD camera, the drone takes stunning photographs and videos. Due to built-in up-down gimbal, the angle of camera can be adjusted by remote control in flight. Super easy to capture a perfect shot of 120 degrees FOV. 3 batteries, long run time with 3 upgraded 1000 mAh intelligent battery provides up to 30 minutes flight time. It's a good choice for summer camping. You can use the drone with camera as both a backyard flyer to film family events.